I'm Cheryl Williams, the founder of Florida Pet Sitters and Dog Walkers, your professional in-home pet care provider and Florida's premier dog walking and pet sitting service. We have compiled a long list of questions and answers, and today I want to go over the top 5 questions we get asked most often. Question 1. Why should I use Florida Pet Sitters and Dog Walkers? Because your pet will remain in the familiar, secure environment and follow their customary dietary and exercise routine. Your pet is not exposed to illness or other animals, and most importantly, your pet receives lots of love and personalized attention while you are away, and you will have peace of mind knowing everything is taken care of. Question 2. What kind of animals do we care for? We care for most animals as long as they don't pose a danger to our pet sitters. We do not care for any animals that have a history of biting, fighting, or attacking other animals or people. Question 3. What information do I need to provide at the initial meet and greet consultation? Prior to the consultation, you will need to register on our site. We will then have all the information we need about your pets, allowing us to spend the consultation time getting to know you and your pets. We also need 2 keys so that the sitter can have one and the other is kept in a locked cabinet in the office. Question 4. When should I make my reservations? All new clients must give us a minimum of 1 week's notice to get started. Sometimes we can fit you in with less time, but there's no guarantee we can get everything done. During our busy summers and holidays, please book early to assure availability. Question number 5. What do we provide during a pet sitting visit? Our pet sitting visits include feeding per your instructions, fresh water, dogs are walked, lots of love and playtime, brushing, litter box or bird cage cleaning, medication given if needed, mail and newspaper brought in, plants watered, turning on lights, and more. We will also text you an update and a picture as well, and of course provide lots of TLC. If you have more questions that are answered here, let us know and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Have a great day.